Welcome to this lesson on subtracting integers. Today, we are going to learn a simple but powerful rule, adding the opposite. This technique will make subtracting negative and positive numbers much easier to understand. First, let's quickly review what integers are. Integers include all positive whole numbers like 1, 2, and 3. They also include 0. And finally, they include all negative whole numbers, like -1, -2, and so on. They extend infinitely in both directions on the number line. Here is the golden rule you need to remember. To subtract an integer, you simply add the opposite. In mathematical terms, a minus b is exactly the same as a plus negative b. This turns every subtraction problem into an addition problem. But what do we mean by the opposite? It simply means changing the sign. If you have a positive 5, its opposite is -5. If you have a -3, its opposite is +3. You just flip the sign. Let's look at our first example, 3 minus 5. Applying our rule, we keep the 3, change the minus to a plus, and change +5 to -5. So it becomes 3 plus -5. On the number line, we start at 3 and move 5 steps to the left, landing on -2. Now let's try a negative number minus a positive number. -2 minus 4. We change this to addition, -2 plus -4. We start at -2 and move 4 more steps to the left. The result is -6. What happens when we subtract a negative number? This is often the most confusing part, but if we follow our rule, it becomes simple. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. The two minus signs combine to form a plus sign. Let's see that in action. 5 minus -2, we keep the 5, we change subtraction to addition, and we change -2 to +2. The problem becomes simply 5 plus 2, which equals 7. We move to the right on the number line. Finally, let's subtract a negative from a negative. -3 minus -4. We keep -3. We change subtraction to addition, and we change -4 to +4. The problem becomes -3 plus 4. Starting at -3 and moving 4 steps right, we land on +1. To summarize, just remember the KCC method. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition, and change the sign of the second number. Keep, change, change. If you follow these steps, you will get the right answer every time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.